Welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to unlock Bitdefender VPN Premium absolutely free of cost. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So for this you have to firstly copy the giveaway link. I will provide this link in the video description. From there you will get it. And go to one of your browser and paste the link here. So you will come into this interface here. You have to provide the name and email address and password. I have provided the password and you have to click on I accept and then create account. So you will come into this interface and then you have to click on this. So and now you have to go to your Gmail address. So go to your Gmail account and here you will get the confirmation link. So you have to click on this link. So your email address has been successfully verified. So then you will come into this interface. So from here you have to click on install Bitdefender products and then you have to click on installation and then download. So as you can see, this my download has been started and successfully download here, and double click on it, click on yes, and then here you have to click on I agree and then install. So Bitdefender VPN downloading, and click on start installation. So installation in progress. And then you have to click on here. So you can see this 30 days left. It will expire on August 26. So if I click on this and my account, here you can see this. It is individual plan. It is individual plan and it expires in 30 days. So August 26, 2026. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.